After 3 years of cases spread around the globe, Samsung and Apple appear to be laying down their weapons.
They still have some battlegrounds on the two smartphone rivals. They did agree to drop all legal battles against each other, except for those underway in the U.S. Our Park Ji-won has the details.
Samsung and Apple agreed to drop all litigation cases between them in all countries, except for in the United States. That means some 30 lawsuits will be dropped in courts in 8 countries, including Korea, Japan, Germany, and France. However, the joint statement released Wednesday says the agreement does not cover any cross-licensing arrangements between the two smartphone rivals. The lawsuits between the world's 2 biggest smartphone makers began in 2011 when Apple sued Samsung for copying iPhone features. Samsung responded by countersuing Apple for infringing its wireless transmission technology. The patent trials have since spread to courts around the globe. The mutual rapprochement began in May when Samsung and Apple agreed to drop lawsuits related to Motorola mobility. 1 month later, they agreed to dismiss their appeals of a patent case at the U.S. International Trade Commission. This week's agreement leaves just 2 cases pending in the U.S., both currently in the appeals process. In May, a jury ordered Samsung to pay Apple some $120 million in damages. It also ordered Apple to pay some $160,000 to Samsung for patent infringements. In a separate case in a U.S. court in 2012, a jury verdict ordered Samsung to pay Apple $930 million. Both cases are currently being appealed. Park Ji-won, Arirang News.